Ling Ling, you forgot your bling bling. Hello, hello, and welcome back to my channel. If I haven't met you before, I am Sienna. I'm your host for tonight's episode. Not many people know how to say my name because it's got a J and it's really off-putting, but think of the J as like an I. So Sienna, banana, sultana, Sienna. It rhymes with those things. And I'm here today to share with you my jewelry. Woo, 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 woo. So I get a lot of questions about the jewelry that I wear, where it's from, what it means, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go over it all with you, including something I'm very excited to share with you is my new collection. So I have co-collaborated and teamed up with my all-time favorite jeweler, wow, that's a hard word to say, jeweler, Logan Hollowell. She's an amazing human, an amazing goddess. She's an actual like earth fairy, and she's an amazing friend of mine, as well as a phenomenal jewelry designer and businesswoman. She's just like, she's a boss, which I look up to her so much. I admire her so much, and I have so much love, adoration, and respect for her as a human and as a businesswoman. So super excited to have done a collaboration with her, and then even more excited to be able to finally share it with you. So it's out in the world. This is what it is. So I've done a necklace and a ring, this one here. It is the Sanskrit lettering for surrender or complete, so complete surrender. Surrender has been something that has been showing up a lot in my life lately, personally, professionally, pretty much in every single way possible, more and more. It's almost as if the universe is like, I'm gonna keep throwing this at you until you learn that you need to surrender. So I'm starting to learn to listen, and I'm picking up on the cues that the universe is dropping down, and I am finally starting to understand the importance of it in my life, and I think probably in most people's life. So it's probably going to be something that might ring true for you as well, which is my hopes, because that's why I've created these pieces, so that you can wear them as gentle gestures and reminders to take a step back, to surrender, and to just release the reins and watch in awe as the universe unfolds and transpires exactly how it's supposed to. So that is what these are. So this top part here can be either moonstone or diamond. Moonstone is the feminine, and so I have moonstone in both of mine. So this little top part here is moonstone, as is this part here on the ring. I love them. I love them to bits. So I'll go over the rest of them for you as well, so that you know exactly what it all means and what it all means to me. So this one is from Logan. It's a little pinky ring with a little star in the middle, a little diamond star. This little one here is not from Logan, but it is from a store also in Venice Beach in California, and it reminds me a lot of a princess crown, and so that's why I wear that one on what would be my engagement ring, ring finger or wedding ring finger, because I am committed to myself. And that's what that one represents. A lot of the time, older women say to me, they're like, you can't wear a ring on that finger, like you're not engaged. And I'm like, why? I'm committed to myself. I'm in a relationship with myself. Isn't that enough? So that's what that one is. And then I have this one. So this one is my shanti ring. Shanti is Sanskrit for peace. And I like that one on my middle finger for that reason. This little one here is a new addition for me, and I am obsessed with it. It is the third eye ring, so it's surrounded, 40 karat gold, surrounded by little diamonds, and in the middle is my moonstone, the all-seeing. Then on this hand, I've got this wave ring, which is, I think, 14 karat gold as well, and that's from Indian Harper, and that is representational of my love and connection to Mother Ocean. Then I've got my collaboration. I love these. I'm obsessed with them. My surrender ring. Surrender of the soul, surrender of the ego, surrender of anything limiting beliefs, limiting behaviors, patterning thoughts, things that just get in the way. Surrendering it all in order to make room for a higher vibrating and greater frequency version of yourself. I've got this little one, again from Logan. So this one is just a plain band with 3 little diamond stars. And then I've got my little pinky ring is my snake ring. She is a reminder to shed the old, to trust in nature and in my own personal evolution and journey. So those are my rings. Woo! And then also I've got my necklaces. So of course I've got my surrender necklace. There's nothing on the back, it's just plain gold. And then I've got this little one here. It's my little S, my little sunshine S. It is 14 karat gold. It's got diamonds around the edges. This is the larger version if you're wondering. And then on the back it has, which not many people know this, it says, "You are my sunshine." Isn't that beautiful? So that's a very special one too. My earrings are, I got these made myself just down at my local jeweler in the Junction. Then I also have my bracelets. So I've got two little bracelets. They're both very fine. This is like magical, this one, this little gold little, I love this one. And then this bit's got little silver or white gold, I can't actually remember what. So they're both from Logan as well. And then I have a matching anklet. Woo! This is my matching anklet, so it's the gold little magic dusty one. And that, my friends, is all of my jewelry. So hopefully that gives you a better insight into what I wear, what it means to me, what it symbolizes, and also my new collaboration. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm very excited to share this with you. So hopefully it rings true to you just as much as it does to me, and you'll be able to indulge and splurge and invest in yourself and give yourself a little gift, a reminder that you can wear and hold and wear close to your heart or close to the palms of your hands, which is where all the magic happens. Yeah, and it can help you as a reminder to stay on the right path, to surrender your ego, to surrender to the universe, to the divine plan, and to your own soul. Get out of the way and make room for her to step into her own power, exactly the way that she should. I would love to know what surrender means to you, how you have practiced it in your life, how it has shown up in your life, how it has been called into your life, and how you have been called to use it and to practice it, or ways that you think that you could benefit from surrendering and releasing the reins a little bit, and what kind of magic has manifested from doing so. Ciao for now. So long, farewell, Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. I flit, I float, I flit, 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 I fly. Don't be a stranger. If you haven't already, go and hit the subscribe button. Drop in, say hi, whenever you want. I like knowing what you're up to. So if you're ever bored, hit us up, say hi, tell me your favorite color, tell me your zodiac sign. Maybe you're also a Scorpio. I am a people person, I am a huge hugger, so even through the screen, I'm giving you the world's biggest bear hug. Giving you a big squeeze, and hopefully I can meet you in person one day. Oh, actually on that note, I have a couple of retreats coming up as well. I have about 6 this year that I will be doing, 3 or 4 retreats, 4 retreats. One of which is already sold out in June in Bali. I have another one in August, the one in August will be in the Dominican Republic with Sky Bear. The one in September will be in Greece, which I did last year, and it sold out very quickly, and it was very, very beautiful and successful and just so humbling and nurturing to be in that space. So I'm very excited to be heading back there again this year. And then another one that is being finalized hopefully soon, maybe even be up by the time you see this, and that will be in Bali again in Ubud in December, and it will be a New Year's retreat, which I'm very excited about. This will be the first one that I do that is all women. It will be a goddess gathering, so it will be over the new year from 2020 to 2021. Very powerful time of manifesting and just making stuff happen, letting go of the year that was and welcoming in the new year with open arms, open eyes, open mind, and open heart. So I cannot wait to share that with you. That will be all women, and that creates a very safe, sacred space for us all to really just shed and let go of everything. So all my retreats this year are going to be very unique and different from one another, and they're in different places, so hopefully you can come on one of them at least, and I will get to meet you, share a heart to heart and a big, big, big hug. Woo! Alright, From my heart to yours, namaste. I love you. Bye. Where's the off button on this thing?